So we're going to be lighting the hot water pilot to my little camper trailer. It's an Atwood hot water heater. So you'll want to bring that door down and make sure that your propane is on and hooked up and that you have propane. So this little dial here, it's in off position. We can tell that because of the little red dot there. So we'll actually want to go to pilot, but I can't push that button down because the little poor design on there. So you're looking for a little curvature so you can push that button down. So it's got to go back just a little bit. So we can push that down, and then we light the bottom portion here, and you'll be able to see in certain daylight conditions little tiny flame there, and we're holding this button down for about 30 seconds. And what that little tiny flame does is it heats the thermocouple, that's the little piece of metal above, and that allows this valve to know a few things. So that as it heats up, it sends a signal saying, yep, there's a flame there, so it's safe to pump more propane because there's a flame there. So it's been about 30 seconds, and then we're going to go over, after we undo that button, to on, and then the flame is going. So that flame is going to go now until the hot water tank water is heated up to our desired temperature. If we want a little hotter, less hot. If this doesn't work on the first try, what you'll want to do is just kind of wait 30 seconds, 45 seconds for any gases to dissipate before starting again. And if you're really having trouble, there are troubleshooting things that you can find out. It may be that your thermocouple needs to be replaced. It may have some cobwebs in here. It may need some cleaning. Worst case scenario, this valve needs to be replaced. I have replaced one of these before, and they're not cheap, but kind of gives you an idea of how to start the hot water tank to get you hot water and on your way. Now, you close that up when you're done and do your camping, and then when you're all done, you pull that down and you just bring it back to the off position and turn your propane tanks off when you travel. That's what I do. Anyways, hope that helps out.